going on, everybody? Haven't made a video, haven't really done much. You know, I got the motor still sitting there, the LSV turbo build. Almost have all my parts to where I can jump on it and stay continuously on it. You know, that's the initial goal. But this video ain't about that. It's about this guy right here. Wanna flip this around and let little man explain to you what we're about to do, because I am teaching him how to do something today. All right, little man. So tell these folks what we're gonna get into today. What you're gonna learn.
Replacing the axle on the passenger side.
That is correct. What's the first thing that we're gonna do? Well, since we have the car up already, but what's the first thing you do? Jack the car up. And then what? What was the second thing I did?
Unscrew the bolts on the tire.
Yep, get the lug nuts off the tire. Then you're gonna get your axle nut socket. You're gonna get that on there. Then you're gonna get whatever you're gonna use, either a big breaker bar or a 1/2" impact. Me, I always use my cordless. Then yeah, bust it loose. So go on and get the 1/2" cordless, get that socket off the end of it, and let's get it on this axle nut socket. Alright, Drake, so go ahead and get the end lined up and in there. Gotta push it on. There you go. And go on and squeeze the trigger. Keep it. Alright, it's off. Haha, good job. Alright, reason why I'm replacing this, I already did the other side, but I gotta do the half shaft. And but this axle, it's getting a lot of play. See, you guys can't see that, but man, there is a lot of play in that axle. And what that does, that creates vibration under torque. And that's what I'm getting. I'm getting vibration, you know, under torque. And, you know, you got to be able to pick up speed to, you know, merge on highways. And the last thing you want is, you know, your whole damn car shaking. So that's why that's getting replaced. But he got the axle nut off. I did tap it with a hammer. It moves pretty freely. So with that said, going to get the bottom bowl joint castle nut off, undo the fork that goes through, or the bolt that goes through the fork for your coilover, and get that control arm dropped down. That way the axle can get up underneath the fork, and then get underneath there, and we're going to pop that out with a pry bar. Alright, didn't want to mess with the castle nut. It was on there pretty good, so I just took the upper ball joint loose. I'm going to inspect it while I'm there, because I have new ones anyways. But she's tight. Axle's popped out. Now I'm going to get under there with my pry bar and pry against the back side of the axle and the face side of the transmission to get that clip to pop and break free. So there's a trick to it. Push the axle in and pry out real fast, and it should pop that clip. Compress that clip in on the splines and allow it to pop out. Well, I guess that's all I needed was a good tug. So now with the old and with the new. Get this thing in there. I really don't want to mess with the half shaft today, but I just might, just to get it done. I'm probably gonna use those boxes to put all my spare camshafts and stuff in it, so they're just not sitting out around.
One thing I do want to see, this is a LSD trans. And it's non-LSD. So it's one wheel peel. Next thing I want to do, just want to match up these axles. Yeah, they're looking good. Plus that's another thing. See that big old hole right there? So I was losing all of my grease in there. Let's get this thing put in. I think that's the next thing, man. You get some energy suspension bushings and rebush these front control arms. Oh, that's right. Change socket. guys, so far, I mean, it feels good. I'm gonna test drive it some more. See if I feel any more vibration. If I do, I am gonna throw that half shaft in today. Try and steer away from having to do that, but I'll do that if I have to. So far, so good. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. Stay tuned for the future videos. And I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers, man. I've noticed I've been getting some new subs. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Hopefully the channel continues to grow and I can continue growing on the builds, you know.